How are you everybody? How are you class 3? Today we are going to learn about multiplication, how multiplication works, and how to write any multiplication sentence. Yes, at the first you must write number in each group. They write multiplication sign and number of groups equals your answer. Equals and your answer. To work, there has to be the same number in each group. To work the multiplication, there has to be the same number in each group. How? Like this. There are 2 bikes. How many tires are there? Yes, look, there are 2 bikes. Each bike has how many tires? Each bike has 2 tires. Yes, 2 tires. 1, 2. Write 2. Then write multiplication sign. How many groups? 1, 2. How many groups? 2 groups. Write 2. It's meaning 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equals how many? How many tires are there? 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 tires. 4 tires in 2 bikes. Yes, 2 times 2 equals 4. It's multiplication sentence. Another one. Look, remember before how multiplication works. Number in each group times number of groups equals your answer. To work, there has to be the same number in each group. Yes, like this. There are 4 bikes. How many old tires are there in 4 bikes? Each bike has 2 tires. 2 tires. 1, 2. Each bike has how many tires? 2 tires. Yes. Equal. Write 2. Then write multiplication sentence. How many groups? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. How many groups? 4. Number in each group is 2. Number of groups is 4. Equals how many old tires? How many old tires? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tires. It's meaning 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals how many? 8. Yes, very good. Yes, look, another one. Trading cards. Look, there are 3 trading cards. Each trading card has how many cards? 4 yellow cards. 5 yellow cards, not 4. 5 yellow cards. Write 5. Then write multiplication sign. How many groups? Yes, 1, 2, 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. Write 3. Equals how many old cards? Yes, 5, 10, 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Yes, 5 times 3 equals how many? 15. Another example. Yes, 4 times 3. 4 times 3. Its meaning number in each group is 4. Yes, you must draw group in each group 4 objects, 4 circles. Yes, I have group in each group 4 circles. How many groups? 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. In each group, how many circles? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here, 4 groups in each group, 4 circles. 4 groups in each group, how many circles? 4 circles. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals how many circles? Equals 12. Yes, remember multiplication is repeated addition. 4 times 3, it's meaning 4 threes or 3 fourths. 3 fourths. 3 fourths. 3 fourths. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 12. It's meaning 4 times 3 equal 12. Again, repeat. Remember, the multiplication is repeated addition. Remember again, multiplication is repeated addition. Yes, and remember how multiplication works. Number in each group times number of groups equals your answer. Number in each group times number of groups equals what? Your answer. Yes, to work again, there has to be the same number in each group. There has to be the same number in each group. Now, multiplication tricks. What's the meaning of multiplication tricks? Now, I will tell you what the meaning of multiplication tricks. Yes, trick number 1 or the first trick. Yes, if you multiply any number by 0, you always get 0. You always get 0. Yes, if you multiply any number by 0 equals 0. Equals 0. Like this. Here, 5 times 0 equals 0. Yes, 100 times 0 equals 0. Another one. 0 times 11 equals 0. 0 times 1000 equals 0. 0 times 99 equals 0. 8 times 0 equals 0. Yes, 0. If you multiply any number by 0 equals 0. If you multiply any number by 0 equals 0. Yes, very good. Here is the next trick. Here is the next trick. What's the next trick? Yes, if you multiply any number by 1, it stays the same. If you multiply any number by 1, it stays the same. How? Look. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 100 equals 100. 1 times 33 equals 33. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 84 equals 84. 1 times 95 equals 95. 1 times 83 equals 83. Answer. Yes. Example. 1 times 5. 1 times 5 equals how many? 1 times 5, it's meaning I have 1 star. And in each group, how many groups? 5 groups. In each group, how many stars? 5 star. 1 star. Yes, in each group, I have 5 groups. In each group, 1 stars. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal how many? Equals 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many all stars? 5. 5. Or you can draw only one group. 5 times 1. One group. In the group, how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 5. Yes, it's meaning 1 times 5 equals 5. Or 5 times 1 equals 5. You can draw 5 groups. In each group, 1. How many all stars? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can draw one group. In the group, 5 stars. Yes, it's meaning if you multiply any number by 1 equals the same number. Equals the same number. Yes. Trick number 3. The order of the multiplied numbers does not change the answer. The order of the multiplied numbers does not change the answer. How? If you write number in each group as the first times number of groups equals your answer. Or if you write number of groups times number in each group equals the same number. Yes? Again, if you write number in each group time number of groups equals your answer. And if you write number of groups as the first times number in each group equals the same answer. Equals the same answer. Like this. Here, 3 times 2. 3 times 2. It's meaning I have 2 groups. In each group, how many objects? 3 stars. Yes. How many all stars? Yes, very good. 3 and 3, how many all? 6. 3 times 6. You can write 2 times 3. You can write multiplication sentence 3 times 2 or 2 times 3. Now I will draw 3 groups. In each group, 2 stars. How many all stars? How many all stars? 6. Yes, very good. If you write 3 times 2 equals 6 or 2 times 3 equals 6, the same answer. The same answer. Yes. The final multiplication trick is to use multiplication tables. Multiplication tables, you must study hard multiplication tables because it's too important. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times table. Yes, thank you very much. I hope you to understand me. Thank you, class 3.